Ramen time. Yeah. So this is my first time trying ramen. I'm really hungry because I went to the city center kasi this is my day 8 and I'm trying ramen for the first time. So still no progress sa closure ng ice ko. And even this one, nampa din this way. Nampa din yung operative side ko. I'm really hungry. So, walang laman ng rep na easy chew. So, I need to cook something like soup na malambot. Like noodles. So, sarap. Kasi it's too cold here right now. It's like 7 degrees outside. Kaya sarap ng mainit na sabaw. Really. As you can see my lips. Still going that way pa. Ngiwi pa siya. I'm trying to live with it na. Siyempre, kaka-depress pa din. Who would want to have this kind of situation? Nakakahiya kapag you have someone to talk to, you know. Especially kanina when I went to town. Yung dealing with the bus drivers kasi I just went through bus. Yung bang tititigan kanila kasi nga ano nangyari sa ngewing mo, like that. What's wrong with how you talk? Yan ang peg. And in every places that I go, I had to explain. And first of all, I'm very sorry of how I talk. I just had the Bell's palsy. I don't know if it's really Bell's palsy, pero sure ako na right facial weakness yan because it's one of the complication ng operation ko. Tama. Ito si non-challenge side. Ito yung you can see the kumbaga ito si wala pa kailam na side. No feelings. So this is a ramen. Nilagyan ko ng two slices ng cheese. Grabe, ang sarap. Cheesy kasi even before naman talaga, this is my favorite. Hindi siya ganun kaanghang. Kasi I don't know if I can take the the pinakamaanghang. And todo hindi siya maanghang na todo. Talagang medyo nasisipon na ako niyan. Nakakaramdam pa din siya ng yung heat. I just don't know how to react on it, like para iwasan yung heat. Like that. Sarap umikot ng sabaw after you've been to a very cold place. So this is the fastest food that I can cook. pag ngumunguya ako, parang may tumutusok sa tenga ko. I feel like there's something going inside my ears. That's how it feels. Pero, never mind, I'm hungry. Ang suhat, I mean. So, pabor sa akin yung soggy noodles. Soggy noodles na. Kasi nga, so that I will not have give na effort to chew. Isang buong sorry. Ayan. Isang buong bowl yan. Kaya ko ubusin yan actually. Kasi yung gutom ko talagang sobra. Kinaangat, I am putting this way up para nawawala yung init. Ay, Diyos ko, kainit. Oh, I'm still feeling a bit of pain. Sa pati yung ilok ko. Hindi naman siya ganun kaanghang actually. Grabe, ang sarap ng noodles. This is siomai. I bought this in a Chinese store. So tasty. Sabi ng mga friends ko, some of my friends are advising me because they experienced a Bell's palsy before. they told me to chew a bubble gum. I tried. It's really hard. So I still cannot chew hard food like the bubble gum that I will continuously chew in here. It's because of the operative site na meron ako dito sa previous operation ko. So if only Bell's palsy alone, I can be able to do that. Pero since hindi nga kaya, ang sakit, it goes there to the pain of the operation. Dito nga pala is hakaw. I put hakaw. Dumpling with shrimp inside. Very soft lang siya. And this is, I always wanted to try. This is to, syempre, exercise mo din yung muscle. Although, there's a little bit of pain, pero I can endure. Look at that. It's so hot still. Di kaya malaki. So hot. I cannot sleep. Naiiyak na siya. So my other eye. Wait, someone's calling. So how you can see how teary it is already. A bit of red na din siya. So this is one of the Korean ramen. So, kalimutan ko. I forgot the name. So I just put 2 slices of cheese. And then 3 pieces of shumai and 3 pieces of hakaw. And that's it. Grabe na heavy na sarap. Sabihin sana kung sumasara yung Kalawang mata ko. If my other eye is closed, it's much more okay, you know. Siomai. Every time I'm trying to munch something, not quite hard. This is soft, you know. Kasi I tend to overcook it while I'm cooking, so that everything will be as saggy as it can be. Kasi super soft na talaga. It's really soft already. It can be maintained much easier than maybe as a Bell's palsy, because it's a one-sided weakness of the face, which is really the same symptom of those having a Bell's palsy. But my condition is different, as some are getting the Bell's palsy due to stress or some other factors. But I mean, because of the surgery, that's why I got this right facial muscle weakness. Cow. Ouch. If you want to see my operative side here, medyo, it's like it's still swelling. Yeah, I can still feel the swelling. If you can see my face swelling from over here to here. It's like like that, swelling. If you can see my reflex, talagang nonchalant. The other side is really nonchalant. So the nerves affected on me because this is where the facial nerves are, and it is distributed into 4 different parts, which is really responsible of the movement of our face. What is affected on me? The nerve supplying the temporal branch. This is the temporal branch, which is responsible in the, like that, nodding of my eyebrow. Is it nodding, if what you call it? Moving. Yeah. Responding to it. Medyo burp na ako. The other one is the zygomatic branch here, which is responsible to my movement of my cheek in synchronization with this. Nothing, or maybe help to close my eyes over here on this side. And this is the buccal branch, which is responsible to have a equally nice smile. This part, I forgot what nerve is this because it's not the one affected to me. That's why hindi ko na siya, I didn't remember. But these are the 3 nerves that is really kind of weakened sa akin. But if it's only weak, sana naman nagre-respond siya. Hindi. Parang I think it's a bit, some kind of paralyzed na din. It's kind of worrying. Siyempre, maka-worry. Who would want a condition like this? And most of the time, depressing. Kasi you would not know when it will last or when the feelings will go back. When the sensation will go back. Is there any time frame for that? Even if you question everybody, doctors, Google, YouTube, they cannot say a definite answer. I'm just trying my best to be strong because I still have 2 kids with me. I cannot show them na weak ako. And I'm really sorry because I really finished this whole bowl because I'm literally hungry. Operation I had is a right partial parotidectomy. Why they did that to me? Because early this year, I found a lump under my ear over here. I was curious what it is, so I asked all the doctors in the ward where I work, my colleagues, what it is. They suggested me to go to the GP and have it referred to the specialist that will be able to know what exactly it is. So I came to the GP. They also don't know. They referred me to ENT specialist. There, they asked me to do an ultrasound on the whole of my neck. And after the procedure, the radiology consultant asked me if it's alright for them to do fine needle aspiration, or what they called FNA, at the same time, to get a sample from the tumor that they saw. So yeah, I agreed. And then after the procedure, he talked to me. He said, what I know, sabi niya, he said, is that you have a salivary gland tumor. But I was about to cry. But don't worry. From what I see to the ultrasound and to the sample I took, it is benign. Better take it out, because usually 10%, after 10 years, 10% of those who have a tumor like me, it will turn into cancer. So yeah, I was on duty that time. I'm handling patients. It's like, even though you know that it's not benign, but the fact that you heard that you've got a tumor or a cyst or something unexpected growing inside you, you will really be shocked, right? So then, the ENT consultant asked me to have an MRI afterwards. And then, after MRI, sorry, I'm trying to sip this one. Oh, it's not responding, diba? So, after MRI, they confirmed that it is a salivary gland tumor nga. And asked me if I really wanted it to be removed. I didn't hesitate, yeah. I wanted to remove, and if you can line me up to your waiting list, I will wait until the proper time. Yeah, they scheduled me for pre-assessment. And then, last 2 weeks ago, I was on duty. In the afternoon, I received a call and said that I will have my operation 4 days after. I was really shocked. What? Is it really happening? I was happy and then nervous. I don't know what will be the outcome because I'm really just preparing myself for the pain. And yeah, the operation was done. And this, today is day 8. It is healing. I still cannot feel this side. This side. Oh, it's a bit cold. This one, I can feel this one a bit. This one I cannot feel still. Today is day 8. And since day 1, excuse me, nasa middle. Since day 1, I had this right weakness already. And now I'm on my day 8. Please pray for me. Pray for me. As I always pray. Syempre, it's not easy. You will see me smile. I just wanted, alam nyo na, to be as happy as I can. But I need your prayers to help me bring back my smile. My genuine smile. Like that. And hanggang dito na lang ang video ko. Bye! This is Dursley. Turn to be a patient day. Oh, ang ganda ng ngiti. Social. Bye!